Yes.
So first of all, good evening everyone, and my name is Shyam Sundar and his name is Sagar and his name is Tilyan. So today we are doing one small play. In play, I am the son and I want to go hostel and I want to convince my guardian to send me out in hostel. So let's see what happens next. Hello uncle, I just want to go in hostel, so please send me.
Why? Why you want to go hostel?
Because here my studies is like not do better, and I listen to so many people like in hostel there is good studies and there is also so many study materials. That's why I want to go.
Where you listen? Where you said these things? So these things are not good because in hostel like people can't students can't do study here.
There is no study.
There is no study there. So why we send in hostel?
No, like there is like teacher is also very good, and one of my friend is also learning in hostel. So he said me like there is like good studies here, and you also join me in this hostel. So that's why I want to go.
We know which type of study are going here. You know when a person going hostel, so it comes in very bad. बहुत बुरा बन जाता है.
They become very bad.
They become very bad, and we don't allow to go hostel because when you go in hostel, so you also become bad. So why we send?
No, like there is not this type of matters here. Like this is very strict hostel in which if the student do even a silly mistake, so they will do some punishment for they will give some punishment. And here I listen like there is so much good qualities of everything. And as you know, like I am in 11th class and in commerce field, so here is also like CAT and so many courses they are also studying. So that's why I want to go. Please send me out.
No, we can't give you permission because these types of things also in school. You go to school. What's the problem? When you go to school.
Sir, uncle, like here even the teacher can't listen us, and there is so many students also, and you also know in my school there is so many bad students. So because of them I can't study. That's why I want to go.
You know, in school only few students are bad, but in hostel like all the students are bad. Only they go there only for fun, not study. Because that's why we give permission.
Uncle, please tell him, please convince him, please.
So dear, he tells right because if you go in hostel, you are after some time when you come you are
You will get spoiled.
you will get spoiled. And if you want to go in hostel, and can you tell me why are you going hostel and what is the benefit? In few students are study in hostels, and most of the students are bad and do smokes and number of things.
So why are you thinking that I am only do the negative bad things, and why are you taking this type of
Because
thing negative?
we know which type of you are.
No, you know that like in 10th I scored great marks, and in 11 I also studied very hard for achieving the good marks. So please send me out. It is like beneficial for you also. Like if I became successful person in a hostel, so there is also pride of you. Like so many people said like Sharmaji's son is becomes successful person by learning in hostel. So please send me.
No, we can't allow because we have seen like when you go in hostel like you going bad things, and we know you are scoring best in 10th class, but but we give more attention to you because we know you are bigger than you. You are spoiling.
You are spoiling your life.
You are spoiling a lot.
You are becoming worse.
You are becoming worse.
So the matter is like here there is my so many friends and their company is bad. That's why I became bad. But in hostel there is no even a single friend is there. So on that time I will become good. So please send me.
You tell me how many minutes take to make a friends. Like only 1 minute take a only 1 minute you will make a new friends. We know. And in hostel like many all the people we listen like in our neighbor child like he went to hostel and now see, you see the condition he is very bad.
But he's bad at because of his work. So I am not this type of person. Please.
No, we know which type of person you are. We are your guardians. So we know.
Please allow, please.
No.
It's a request to
And
both
in
of
a
you.
positive way, you say in negative way. If you have doubt in any subject, we don't know. Provide your coaching centers. Even if you want online classes and like science online classes and English, you take and if you became you will become a successful person. If you want to go in a hostel, we know you will become a spoiler and you forget we all and after when you come
You can't respect us.
yes.
No, please listen to me. Like I just want to go there only because of studies. Don't think like my child is becoming worse from there. Think like my child is being good. And you also know like in home there is so much disturbance. Even my mother also said like you have to go here and to do this thing and do this thing. So I can't focus on my studies. But in hostel, I just only sit in my room and only study. There is not this type of disturbance.
You are dear. First of all, we all are your guardians. We all are already seeing what is the conditions in our surrounding and what happening in hostels and schools. You don't know. You are listen only few some peoples and they say something and they say something you don't know.
I know you can't think bad for me, but in this way I am also right. Please send me. There is nothing bad to send me in hostel.
So what is the matter for doing study here?
There is like there is my so many friends also. They called me and even you also said like your friend is bad. Don't go with them. So by this there is one distance between me and my friend, and you also became happy. You won't research.
So you said your friend said don't come my home. So
but here we need everyone. So I can't say like one day he needs me and next day he needs me and I need him. So there is like I totally disturbed here. So I just want to go. Please send me. This is the only thing I want you.
no, we can't allow.
Like you can take my cycle also and don't give me even a single rupees for pocket money. But please send me. I even can't say anything to you. But please send me in hostel. Here I get disturbed so much.
Listen, we can't send you in hostel because like we doesn't want to you like you go in bad things and when you study in our front of you, so we can eye on you and you can't